That cat is not working. See how it's going from 655 millivolts down to 90, 50, 65. It should stay rather consistent. Ideally, it's supposed to be at 500 millivolts and stay pretty consistent there, but normally in an older car, you'll see them anywhere 600, 700, 800, as long as they stay relatively consistent. But that's falling out. This car I'm plugged into. It's the kind with, it's the style with the integrated flex pipe or integrated pipe that comes out to the bottom. Don't confuse it with the style that bolts up there. This is the style with the integrated thing. It came from the factory that way. But it does not have the integrated manifold. It's craft, but that's here nor there. And this is a California emissions P0 car.